Let's see if I can do a quick summary of the Chigee 6 display. So the 6 means it's the 6-inch display unit. You have access to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so you can do all the normal things that you normally could do. You also have access to other engine data. There's hard buttons up top that you can use, or you can use the screen however you see fit. So this example of how the hard buttons work. So I'll push one of these and that will take you back to like the main display. It's reading engine data. You can use, buttons here. Here I have RPM, I have mileage, voltage. You can change it how you want. I like this screen because it shows lean angle. So you can move these things around as you see fit. If you want to see the cameras, there's a hard button up here to go there if you want. So what this is doing is showing the rear camera. So the rear camera is back here. It's where I installed it. And the nice thing about the rear camera, it can be used as a blind spot monitoring. So when a car is in your blind spot, it will highlight in red or flash in red the corner of the screen. So this side of the screen will be red if it notices a car and you're trying to signal, or vice versa, it'll do it over here, regardless of the interface you're on. So you could be in Apple CarPlay and it will flash that on the screen. If I push this button again, or if I push on the screen, doesn't matter, it will switch displays. So I have it picture in picture. You can kind of see that here. You can take that feature off if you want, where you can just have it no picture in picture. So this is the front camera. And I decided to install it below the fairing, the beak. So it's kind of out of the way. No one really sees it. I'm thinking about putting it up here, a little bit less vibration. I rode yesterday on some of the bumpiest roads to kind of test it. It's not supposed to be a GoPro style camera, but it does, pretty good. Also, one of the nice things, so if I want to go back here, I can use my fingers to move things as I see fit, right? That's one way to do it, but also you can use the Wonder Wheel. And what you do is hold down on the menu button, and this thing that says TFT, okay, it will now allow for navigation. So I can use the scroll wheel. So I'm just, manipulating this here, and it's using the scroll wheel, and I'm able to